Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a topic that's been making waves in the political arena. Former President Donald Trump's administration is urging the Supreme Court to allow Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, to access Social Security Administration data on hundreds of millions of Americans. Why, you ask? Well, the Trump administration argues that DOGE needs this data to implement reforms aimed at combating fraud. Sounds straightforward, right? Not so fast. Earlier this week, the Fourth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals delivered a divided decision, continuing to block DOGE from accessing this sensitive information. U.S. Circuit Judge Robert King, in his written opinion, noted that the data DOGE is seeking exceeds what all but the few most experienced and trusted individuals at the administration are permitted to review. He mentioned that granting access would contravene SSA policy and practices of access limitations and separation of duties. The judges were clearly split on this issue, with 9 voting to uphold the lower court's order and 6 dissenting. The lawsuit against DOGE access was filed by federal employee unions and a retiree association, and it's just one of several challenging DOGE's reach into closely guarded data systems across various federal agencies. On the flip side, DOGE argues it needs the data to push forward reform efforts to combat fraud and improve government efficiency. The Trump administration, in its Supreme Court filing, stated that the district court's injunction is forcing the executive branch to hinder employees tasked with modernizing government information systems. They argue that this is a case of the judicial branch inappropriately overseeing the executive branch's internal decisions. U.S. District Judge Elon previously described DOGE's data access attempts as a fishing expedition in search of a fraud epidemic, based on little more than suspicion. So, here we are, at a standoff. The Supreme Court now holds the power to provide the final say on whether DOGE can access this treasure trove of data. What do you think? Should DOGE be granted access to this data to help combat fraud, or is this a case of overreach that threatens the privacy of millions? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest political battles shaping our world. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.